I'm so excited to share with you our new paper that has just been published in the Journal of Animal Ecology. And the paper is called Effect of Ecological Factors on Fine-Scale Patterns of Social Structure in African Lions. First, I would like to thank my co-authors, Damian Farin, Marion Vallet, Jane Hunt, David MacDonald, and Andrew Loveridge for their contribution towards this paper. We know that many species can form and disband groups, that is, they break out into subgroups based on various factors, including food availability and the presence of assistance during hunting. But we don't know much about what affects the fine-scale patterns of associations within groups, that is, who associates with who or who is seen together with who. In this study, we wanted to understand how different aspects of food availability affects the association patterns between individuals in a pride. In particular, there are decisions to form or to disband groups. The aspects of food availability we looked at were the size of prey, whether it is a small prey like impala or it's a large prey like buffalo. We also looked at the grouping patterns, whether there is many available prey or not, and also whether they form large groups or they form smaller groups. We also looked at whether these prey are found close together or they are found further apart from each other. We found that individual decisions about who each lion associates with in the pride or in the subgroup depended on the availability of food. Our results showed that individual lions were associating equally across all members of their pride when prey heads were scarce, that is, when there were very little available prey, or aggregated or large-bodied, and associated more exclusively in subgroups of preferred individuals when prey heads were abundant, dispersed, or small-bodied. We also found that when pride split into subgroups, the individuals within these subgroups seemed to be cushioning against changes in food availability by controlling the strength and the density of connections among individuals. Our findings suggest that individual lions are making social decisions at both the subgroup level and the pride level, and that these decisions represent strategies that enhance fitness. In other words, the need to be fit or to survive influence their decisions. More broadly, our study reveals how fission-fusion dynamics and ecological factors can simultaneously have an effect on animals across multiple levels of sociality.